Hi, thank you so much for being here on my channel with me. I'm Michelle, in case you're new here. Today, I am going to create a look with the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 1 palette. So let's go ahead and get into it. I haven't played with this palette in a while. Pretty sure it was the first palette of my Pat McGrath Motherships that I actually used. Probably because it is a neutral palette. And I had purchased, oh geez, I think I purchased 6 Motherships my first time, but they were on a huge sale. She had them like I think like in the sets of 3, and they were discounted in the set of 3. And then there was also an additional discount to the trio for each. So I ended up saving a good amount on the first 6 Motherships that I purchased. And then also the next 3 Motherships that I purchased, I got a really good savings on that as well. So most of these palettes I have picked up on a very deep discount. There's one palette that I've paid full price for now, and that is the Moonlit Seduction. And that's because I picked it up on time for my channel. But this palette I have not used in a while, and I have not used on my channel. So I'm really excited to create a look today. My eyes are now primed with my NARS Smudge Proof Tinted Eye Base. Ooh, I had to slow that one down so I could figure out what I was saying. Okay, I just want to create a pretty, not over the top look. But as you can see, I'm sorry if you can hear my dog snoring. He sits right there on his couch, right behind the camera. So, and he's old and he's a Shih Tzu, so he snores when he breathes. I'm sorry if you can hear that. That's usually in my videos. And I hope it's going to be in my videos for a very, 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 very long time. He's 10. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to start off, let me see. I usually do start off with this mauve shade back here. I feel like that's kind of the only choice because you really only have 2 mattes in this palette. If you can see here, that's what I was going to say before I got distracted with the snoring. If you can see here, I have barely touched these Blitz shades. Can you see that? I used this one just the tiniest little bit, but that was before I knew about glitter glue, so I had a lot of fallout and I didn't want to use it anymore, and that's why I haven't used any others. I'm going to try to get adventurous today and see what I can do with some of these really exciting shades in the palette now that I have a little bit more familiarity with how to work with sparkles. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Also, I'm not sure that I had natural brushes yet the last time that I used this palette, come to think of it. I think I was still using only my synthetic brushes. Oh man, I've forgotten how beautiful that shade is. Oh, I love that mushroom taupe. Look at that beautiful color. That color, I know it seems, let me see if I can get the lighting a little closer. Is that helpful? I don't know. I know it seems like not a very exciting color, especially when you look at it in here. Picking it up with a natural brush, does make it like more impactful. And I feel like also going in with an unset eye base makes it more impactful, which is how I prefer to do things. So I really love the color payoff that I get from this matte. It's like a neutral with a hint of the slightest undertone of purple. And wow, I can see quite a dip. I don't know if you're, let me see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Yeah, you can kind of tell right there. There's quite a dip going in that shade right there. And I actually haven't used this palette in a long time. But when I was working, after I had gotten this palette and I started using it, I did use this palette often for my neutral go-to looks. I just didn't really dip into the sparkly shades ever. So I think that might be why I haven't used the palette in so long. I feel like maybe I got a little burnt out on it, especially because I hadn't used the sparkly shades. So today we're going to get adventurous. We're going to watch Michelle get a little adventurous. Now, I have played with this gunmetal before, but I want to kind of keep the look a little bit lighter and brighter. I'm itching for spring. It's a beautiful sunny day. We had gray skies for 2 days here. And although the temperature was nice during those days, we didn't see sunshine. So I like to see sunshine. I'm celebrating the fact that I can see the sun today again. And the sweatshirt, obviously, I got when I was in California, but okay. I mean, I feel like I'm doing kind of my standard look here because I don't really know what else to do with the few shades that I have in this palette, but we're going to go with it. We're going to go with this matte brown. Try to keep it contained down here because this can make it get deep real quick. I'm going to just put it here on the edge. Kind of like that. Now I'm going to take that first brush that had that beautiful mauve on it, and I'm going to go over most of what I just put on there. You could have done the mauve all over and then just put the brown into it, but this is just how I did it. It's fine. It's just easier for me to get my depth to match that way if I do it this way. I'm going to take the cream shade for the inner corner. This is a brush, Morphe JH natural haired shader. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, sadly. I'm going to just put this here on the front part of the lid and a little bit down into the inner corner. I am going to put something over this on the front part of the lid, but I'm just kind of mapping it out with this shimmer so that like I have that area done. And then I can pile the sparkle on it. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in with that first brush that I used just to blend with nothing on it. And I'm going to try to just blend those edges together here. Now I'm going to go back in with that one that I used. I'm trying to get over my OCD of always using a fresh brush. And I'm trying to learn to like double use some of the brushes. I don't know if you've noticed, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna go with the back half of that brush and I'm gonna go into this really pretty pink mauve. I'm gonna just put that here on the back half. Like I probably didn't even need to put the matte there. Yeah, 2 mattes with this on top of it was probably not the best idea. I mean, but it's working out fine. But it probably would have looked better had I not done it that way. You know. Like I'm good at most makeup, but eyeshadow I'm still like kind of learning. You know? Obviously. Anyway. Okay. It's time to go in with the glitter glue. Like you can spray your brush. I'm going to put a little bit more lip balm on before I do my lips. You can spray your brush if that works for you, but that doesn't really work for me to keep the sparkle from falling out of my eye. I'm going to put this here in the middle and just kind of do like this area right there. All right. I have no idea what this is going to look like, but hold on. Let me show the okay. Here's the palette. First time to go in with these blitz right here, okay? Here we go. I'm going to go in with this pink one here. And I'm just oh, 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 oh my. Okay, that was a little fire. I wasn't expecting that. I should have been, but I wasn't. Okay, now I need like a small detailed shader for the front. Oh, this was what I should have been using to put on my glitter glue. I forgot I had this. Out of sight, out of mind. I'm so bad like that. I feel like this might work. All right, I'm gonna pack in this white shade here in the front. I need a little more glue. I'm gonna pick up some of this little like pretty white one. Let's just see what happens with this one. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, that's, I don't think, I don't think I was expecting that. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. Why haven't I touched that shade before? Oh, I like it. I don't know if I can recreate what I just did. I hope I can. I need to. Okay. Wow. Can you see that right there? Like, it doesn't really look that incredible on the screen. I feel like it's losing some of its gusto from real life, but here in person with the light shining on it, it looks perfect for this sweatshirt. I'm gonna do that again. Okay, let's go with the pink again. This like beautiful pink fire. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. That is so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay. Now the teeniest, tiniest little bit for the front corner. And then some more of that white. That is not white at all. It's actually, oh my God, the most beautiful pink. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, can you see that fire? I don't know if you can see that fire shift right there, but oh, I see it now. Yeah. So if you look at that one, oh, there it is. There's that flash of pink. You see that? I see it now, right here. I didn't expect that pink flash out of that. I had no idea. Ooh, this look is a lot prettier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Oh, I got a bunch of gunk on my glitter glue. Let me clean this off. 1 second. Are you kidding me? Look what just happened. I went to go put the lid on it and the whole damn tip broke off. So now my whole glitter glue is wasted. This is in my project pan. Looks like I'm off to go buy a new glitter glue and I've got to definitely film my project pan update. That's coming up soon. Okay, well, let's get back to the really fun thing here. All right. I want to play a little more now. I don't want to put the palette down yet. Okay, I'm going to pick up this really beautiful taupe, this really deep, like gunmetal taupe. I don't usually put a shimmer shade on my lower lash line. It's a little fun, but maybe I should have gone in with a matte first. I'm going to go in with the matte. And then go back in and add some more here. And this is a, can you see that? E45, yeah. Just gonna try to build up a little depth on the outer corner. Make sure that my shapes match here. There we go. I like the way that looks a lot. This is where we're at so far. I really like it. Yeah, that's it. This is where I'm going to leave the look. So here's the look so far with the Divine Rose one. Okay. Now that I have the eyes finished, I'm going to add some blush, be right back with some eyeliner and mascara and lip. Okay. So I went in with this blush, which is my blush in Nymphette. I got this compact when she first released her blushes, and you can kind of see, you can still see the indentations in it, but I've got a lot of progress in there. I'm not sure if you can tell. Yeah, I love this blush. Okay. All right. All right, how do we feel about it? Whoa. I love it. This is my look of the day. So here's the finished look with my Divine Rose one. So let me know what you think. I know the lip might be a little drastic for some, but I personally love the way it looks and I feel really confident in it and it makes me feel really beautiful. So yeah, anyways, I'd like to know what you think of the look that I created today with the Divine Rose one, and I'd also like to hear your thoughts on this palette. I'm curious. I know that this has been out for a super long time and it's not really one of the most exciting looking palettes, but I really like it because you can go from neutral work to pop some pizzazz on and go ready to party, you know, or date night or even daytime without being over the top, but still going like all in, you know? Like I kind of went all in with some of the Blitz shades here and stuff. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I used 7 shades today, 2 of the Blitz, and so I feel like that's getting pretty adventurous, and the look doesn't look over the top. It just looks really pretty and fun. So I really enjoy this palette. I'm sorry, I have a dog hair hanging from my face. I really enjoy the Divine Rose one for that reason. I love this color story. I loved it even before I had played with these, and I'm really excited to dip my toes into these some more. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel out so much. And make sure you're subscribed so we can hang out again. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.